last lesson that we're going to talk about is solving a linear system of inequalities, which isn't that hard. We're just going to graph a couple of these. I want you to look at example 1. Here we have y is greater than x minus 4, and then I have y is less than or equal to 3x plus 6. Now these are already into y-intercept for us, so I'm just going to go in and graph them in a plane. We're going to take our first equation here. We see that our slope is equal to 1 and our y-intercept is at -4. So we're going to go up 1 and over 1. Up 1 and over 1. Now, because it's just y is greater than, I'm just going to put a dotted line. Okay? Now, for my next one, I see here that the slope is 3, or 3 over 1, and our y-intercept is 6. Okay, so I'm going to go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for my y-intercept. My slope, we actually are going to go up 1, 2, 3, and over 1, and we will use a solid line for this one. Now this one's going to be kind of hard because the graphs are longer here, but if you will notice here, y is greater than this line, but y is less than this line. So I'm going to shade in these two values because it's less than, y is less than or equal to 3x plus 6, but it's greater than y is equal to x minus 4, and my solution actually lies in here. Now I'd like for you to go ahead and take a look at, we're not going to worry about example 2 that has 3 equations in that, so I'm not going to worry about that one. I would like you to go ahead and look at example 3 though. And I'm sorry, I didn't tell you, this is section 7.6 on page 467. That's where we're at. Okay, so for this one, we actually have y is greater than or equal to 3, and then y is greater than 2x plus 1. Okay, so with this one, I'm just going to graph it just like this. Okay, we're going to start off with y is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so I'm going to go to 3 here. If you'll notice, I do not have a slope. I just have a y-intercept, and it's 3. So we're going to go to 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now with this one, my slope is 2 over 1, and my y-intercept equals 1. So we're going to go to 1, and then we're going to go up 2 and over 1. And with this one, I will be using a dotted line. Now, with y is greater than or equal to 3, we use a solid line. However, with this other one, we're going to use a dotted line. Okay, now in this case, because y is greater than 3, we're going to highlight above, and this line is y is greater than 2x plus 1. So my solution is going to fall in this area. Okay, and we'll work more with these on Friday as well.